Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to delete account in Perplexity AI. We all know that AI tools are popular nowadays, and we can't deny the fact that it will really help you to make results or to make your life more easier in terms of intelligences. Right? So now, there are times also that we can deny the fact that we need to disconnect ourselves from social media or to technology. And so if you want to delete your account in Perplexity AI, this video will get you covered. Alright, so to start with, guys, let us go to our Google Chrome and we can go directly to our Perplexity AI. Alright, so now as you can see, guys, we already log into the Perplexity AI tool. So now we can now directly go to our purpose, which is where we are going to delete our account. Alright, so how to delete our account? As you can see, guys, there are 4 icons over here: homepage, the discovery icon, the my favorites icon, and the AI profile. Alright, so over here, guys, at the upper part of the screen, you can also the logo of the Perplexity AI and of course your profile picture over here. So all you have to do, guys, is just to tap this picture or your profile account, and as you can see, there is where you can see the setting. Alright, the appearance, okay, the avatar, the username, your email, and your account. So over here, guys, this is where you can look for the delete account so that you can easily delete your account in Perplexity AI. Alright, so as you can see, guys, over here at the lower part of the screen, there is an account, sign out or delete account. So if you're going to sign out first, guys, you have to tap this sign out. But if you want to delete your account, you have to tap this delete account. Alright, so since we are going to delete our account, just tap this delete account, and it has a confirmation first if you really want to delete your account. Alright, so it says here that before you go ahead with deleting your account, please take a moment to understand that what will happen to your data. Your profile details, preferences, and settings will be removed. Your search history, threads, and any other content you've shared will be deleted. All data will be permanently deleted 30 days after account deletion. Once deleted, your data will not be used in Perplexity AI models. Keep in mind that deleting your account can't be undone. So when you are going to decide, you have to 100% sure when you are going to delete. Alright, so now if you are really sure that you want to delete your account, just tap this confirm. Alright, so there you go, guys. This is on how to delete account in Perplexity AI. So if you want to know on how to delete account in Perplexity AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to delete account in Perplexity AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys!